How to adjust video clip in CapCut. To adjust video clip in CapCut, you can use two primary methods, normal for a constant speed change and curve for a dynamic speeding ramp. What you need is open up the CapCut app, go to the existing project that you want to make sure to change it or adjust the video speed. Let's see, this is the one. You then need to tap the timeline here. As you do this, you have the speed selected. So you have these normal, curve, and velocity effect. You could go with the normal one. You could then go ahead and make sure to switch over and then start playing. You could just go ahead and look for it. And next you have these other options. You could just tap on the tick if you're okay with that. And then you have this curve section. You could go ahead and look for these curve. Now, once you've applied this, you could just go ahead and start looking for it. So this is how you're supposed to adjust video speed in CapCut. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.